here from Rain Country. God is good all the time. And I'm here for another garage sale find, so I think this might be part 6, but it's going to be more than that because I didn't have a whole lot of finds the last time we went out garage sailing. I only got 3 things, but through the week there was another garage sale just down the road and I picked up a couple more things. And also I just got back from the store and I wanted to show you a couple of good deals I picked up there. So in this time of year, right now it is August 29th, I believe, at the time that I'm shooting this video. And this time of year is when our local store has what they call a sidewalk sale. And years ago, before they had this nice closed-in sidewalk area right in front of the store, they used to call it a tent sale because they set up a big, huge tent. So I used to get a lot of good deals. In fact, I think this top right here I got at one of the tent sales many years ago, and I'm still wearing it. So they usually, you know, have everything marked down for pretty good prices. Some stuff's so-so, but some stuff was like really good deal. So we picked up some really nice wool socks, or, you know, obviously they're a wool blend for Patrick, and I didn't think to bring those in here, but we bought a bunch of them because I think it was like $8 for 2 pairs. So that's a really good deal. And we bought one set, he tried them out and really liked them, so we went back and got some more. And then the other day when we went, I picked up a set of towels like this. So it's 2 towels for $3. And I like these towels like this for various things, usually for covering my bread when I'm proofing my bread or whatever it is that I'm doing, or for drying the dishes with, because they're not terry cloth, they're a nice smooth cloth, and I use them for various things. So I went back today and bought 2 more sets because once I got them home and saw them in my kitchen, I loved the colors. They blended really well. And here's a couple examples from last year's sidewalk sale. Is they had a bunch of these bandanas of all different colors and styles, 50 cents for one, and each one of these can make 4 10-inch squares for adding into my skirts. Now obviously I haven't done anything with these yet, so I buy pretty much all they have of these different colors, and I did that with the key lime skirt that I did. I'll go ahead and put a picture of it here because they had a tie-dyed lime and white bandana. And then the other ones I bought last year were the brown. And see, I've already got these cut up. These are going to go into my next farm girl skirts that I'm going to make. I thought these would look really good. I forgot I had these. So last night I got them all cut up. But yeah, same thing here. So 50 cents for 4 squares to add to my skirts, and it's brand new fabric. So we can get good deals. And then the other good deal I got at the grocery store today was whenever I happen to be in there and see the organic whole chickens for $2 off, I buy all they have. They had 4 left because it's rare that I find them. I'm always looking. I don't go to the store that often anyway, but every time I go, I look to see if they're marked down. And lo and behold, today I think I only have maybe 1 or 2 chickens left in the freezer. They had 4 in there for $2 off. So yay, I stocked up on those. So these will all just go in the freezer. And this is my preferred way to buy chicken because it has so many uses, and I can really extend it and get a lot of meals out of a whole chicken, including when I get down to just the bones, then making a bone broth and using that for making a good chicken vegetable soup. All right, now on to the 3 things that we got at the last garage sale day. We hit a few different garage sales, but there just wasn't much out there this time around. And one of them is this t-shirt that I'm wearing with a little bling on it here. And I thought it was really cute. I'm always looking for dark colored t-shirts because I'm bad at getting stains and stuff on it because I'm always working in them. And so this was a really good find. I'm going to try to keep this one nice. I really like it. And even though it's kind of lower cut, it works well to layer something under it. I usually don't like V-cuts because of that. But if you layer something nice under it that looks good, then you still can stay modest. And then the other shirt I got, because I'm always looking, another color I'm looking for is navy. Now this one's a little bit different because it has it's more of a full thing at the bottom with the angles at the front and the back little corner, so it's pretty cute. So I usually don't wear stuff like that since I'm always wearing skirts anyway, so I'm not sure if I'll keep the bottom of it like that. I may just cut it off and then hem it, but I think I'll leave it because I did try it on under a skirt, and you can't you can't tell because my skirts are so full, it hides it pretty well. But then the other things I picked up were these valances, and I liked the fabric. So I think I paid $3, it was all at the same garage sale, for the 2 shirts, and they're like new, and then these valances, and I really liked the print. It's a fishing tackle and fish. So I'm not really sure exactly what I'll do with it, but if I do another outdoorsy themed skirt, I think this would go really good in it. I liked the colors. Or I may come up with another idea for this fabric. So that was the 3 big finds I got when we went out garage sailing. But then the other day, just right around the corner, we had an older lady that had passed away, and her family is starting to go through her things and sell off our stuff. And we happened to, they hadn't actually officially started their estate sale, but we just happened to be there at the right time and found, and this is the biggie right here. Some of you have been following me on Facebook already have seen this. Now, you all, if you've been following me for a while, you also know that I already have an All-American canner in the 30 quart. That's the one that will fit up to 18 pint-sized jars or 14 quart jars. And I love it, and I don't actually need any more canners. So some people might have thought I was being stingy when we came across these 2 and picked them up. I didn't actually get them for myself. I got them because my daughter-in-law, Kayla, wants to get into pressure canning, so I've been keeping my eyes open for a good pressure canner for her, hoping I could find her an All-American. And if anyone knows the cost of these things, to buy these brand new, this one here is going to be $240 right now, and this one is $260. So right here, these have never been used. In fact, the thing in this one is still wrapped up, and both of them have their instruction books. I don't think this one has been used, but certainly this one hasn't been used. And either way, they're both very shiny. They were just dusty. They need a little cleaning off. I actually think these were made in the 70s. They got a little bit different thing right here. I'll go ahead and take a picture so you can see a close-up of it right here, because I've never seen one like this. But looking at the style of the book that came with it and the boxes, they're still in the boxes. Here's one of the boxes right here. So I'm thinking these might be from the 70s. I'm guessing. I haven't looked into it yet. But anyway, here is the deal. They were only asking $15 for both. So $15 for 2 never used All-American canners is a screaming deal. We went ahead and just gave them a 20. And because I'm not even sure they realized what they had here. Now, obviously these need to be looked over. I'm looking at the gauge on this, and it's clearly off. This one is definitely in really good shape, this bigger one, which is the one I think Kayla's gonna want if she doesn't want both of them. I already told her about it. I said, I got you some pressure canners. You can take them both. You can just take one, whichever you want. If she decides to take this one and not this one, then I will either find another home for this one, someone else who's looking for a pressure canner. And you know, you can always buy new gauges like this. I think they're about $20 on Amazon to get a new gauge. So yeah, one of the big differences is these ones here don't have the weights like they do for ours. We have the 5, 10, or 15. So I'm gonna have to read up on this and find out how exactly this works so I can go over it with Kayla. But at any rate, if nobody wants this smaller one, then I will just keep it and use it for when I just have a few things that I would like to can up and I don't want to fill my big 30-quart canner, then, or even one this size, then this might be a good size for just canning. Let's say I've got leftover soup or something like that and I just want to can it up rather than freeze it. This would be a good option for that. So with another reason why I picked them both up. And I just couldn't pass it up because there's always somebody needing a canner. And like I said, if Kayla doesn't want one of these, I can either pass it off to another friend who's looking for one or just keep it for the smaller jobs. So really great deal. Now this goes right along with the video that I did. You would have seen about a month ago that I had published about the beans, and I was talking about looking for All-American canners. It just so happened the very day that video published was when we came across these canners. And in that video, I was talking about if you're wanting the, you know, because All-American pressure canners are expensive, but they're worth the investment. However, if you just don't have the funds, keep your eyes open and be patient, because it will come to you. Because I have been watching for used ones for a little while now, so I could get one for my daughter-in-law, and it happened. So keep watching for the garage sales. Estate sales especially are where you're going to be most likely to find something like this. Look on your Facebook Market, look at Craigslist, and look on eBay, and just keep shopping and being patient, and it is likely you will come across something. Now, different areas, I know here where we're at, we tend to get better deals and tend to find good quality stuff for really good prices, better than some people in other places. So your location can make a difference, but still don't give up. And this is one of the reasons why I put these videos out. Partly because I know people enjoy seeing stuff like this, but also because I want to encourage you that if you keep shopping and keep looking, you may be able to find exactly what you're looking for a really screaming deal like we did here. $20, $10 a piece for $500 worth of canners. And one more thing I meant to say before I close out this video is that the skirt that I'm wearing right now, I just finished making it today. I made this out of a black garage sale find sheet, and it was a little too faded for me to feel comfortable using it in any skirts that I'm gonna make to sell. So I wanted another black work skirt, but here is the problem. Wasn't quite enough fabric to do the 4th tier. So what I did, and I'll show you in a picture right here, is I added to it some flannels that I had on hand already, and just did the bottom tier in a patchwork design. And so even though I was hoping more for a solid black, so I didn't have to feel limited to what color I wear with it, it is supposed to be just a work skirt, so it really doesn't matter. However, I'm kind of thinking I might not keep it as a work skirt for now. I might just wait and just wear it, because I actually did wear it to the store today. I love, because I'm really happy with it. It's very lightweight and comfortable, and even on a hot day, it's a pretty great skirt. So anyway, there we go. I hope you enjoyed my video, secondhand finds. Hopefully there'll be some more to come, or at least if you like seeing the good deals I can score at our local store, or even when we have to go into town. Let me know in comments down below, and I'll be willing to do a video like that every now and then, because they are kind of fun and I actually enjoy doing it. And if people enjoy seeing it, then I'm happy to do it. All right, well, thanks for watching. Take care, and God bless.